Hello friends, in this lecture we are going to learn about basis or pattern. Now it has been observed that some of the crystals are made up of same atoms of same elements. For example, copper, silver, gold, etc. Also it has been observed that some of the crystals are made up of atoms of different elements. For example, sodium chloride, hydrogen cyanide, etc. And also, it has been observed that some of the crystals are made up of atoms of identical elements. For example, H2. Now, in all these crystals, there is a real atoms or ions or molecules are present. That means these crystals are a real one. But now, if we replace these atoms or ions or molecules of these crystals by an imaginary points, then we get such a space lattices. In these space lattices, these imaginary points are called as the lattice point, and these lattice points are arranged in such a way that each lattice point has the same environment with respect to other. Now, if we want to get a real crystal again, then we must place one atom identically to each lattice point in this space lattice. Again, if we want to get a real crystal, then in this case, we must place two atoms identically on each lattice point in this space lattice. In this case, we must place three atoms identically on each lattice point in this space lattice. Then we get a real crystals. So this shows that each lattice point may contain one atoms to several number of atoms, group of atoms or ions or molecules. Then such a group of atoms or ions or molecules attached to each lattice point is called as basis or pattern. Thank you.